Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to share my mom's recipe for spicy chicken drumstick kebab. If you like the video, please subscribe. Take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric, half teaspoon of dry maida powder, half glass of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 kilo of chicken drumstick with skin, and mix well. Keep it on medium flame, close the lid and cook it. After 10 minutes, take the drumstick and keep aside. To the masala, add 1 cup of flour, half cup of chickpeas powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper and chili flakes. Add water as required and mix well. Add cooked drumstick and marinate for 10 minutes. Deep fry on hot oil. Turn around and fry both sides evenly. Take out. Garnish and serve. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.